If you're a writer staring at a blank page, unable to get the words out, what would you think if I said that the problem isn't in your head, it's in your throat? Every writer has a voice, not just a literal voice, a writer's voice. Your unique form of expression, the words you choose, the tone, the rhythm, the cadence, your sense of humor, what you choose to focus on, research, and write about. You've spent years developing that voice. So, what happens when you get writer's block? You've lost your voice. And here's what I've discovered: writer's block and the fear of singing are rooted in the same problem, the same fear, the same block in self expression. It's almost like a spectrum of frequencies, writing on one end, singing on the other, but it's the same line of energy, it's the same channel. On this channel, I talk about people who've lost their ability to speak or sing. People who've never had the courage to use their voice, even though they desperately want to be heard. Writers have the same struggle. You have ideas, you have something to say, but you can't get the words to come out. You don't know where to start. And that first sentence feels impossible. So I want to offer you something. The same exercises we use to free the singing voice, they can also free your writing voice too. First, stretch your face. We're going to open up really big and just move around the jaw. Then we'll do an audible sigh like this. Now place your fingers gently on your throat and close your eyes and begin to hum. And as you continue to hum, visualize this. See a ball of turquoise light glowing from your throat. As you hum, the light becomes stronger, more vibrant. You can see the rays of light vibrating with the sound of your voice. Now imagine that light traveling down your chest. Watch the color shift from turquoise to green. And see that whole spectrum, turquoise to green, glowing in your chest and throat. Now let that colored light travel upward, from turquoise at your throat, rising up into a deeper shade of blue at your third eye point, right between your eyebrows. Now see the full spectrum, green in the chest, up to turquoise in the throat, and then deep blue in the third eye, all connected, all vibrating with your hum. Stay here. Ease into the sensation of your throat. Ease into the beauty of the light that you're visualizing. Feel your throat, your chest, your forehead, all resonating together. There is nothing else but this vibration. There is nothing else but right now. This is your world, your dimension, your creation. And then start writing. Write whatever comes to you. Don't think about what anybody else will think, because when you write, you're creating a world that is all your own. That's what matters. It's just like when we use our voice to sing. We use our whole body. We feel everything. We relax. We enjoy the process. We don't think, we feel. And the same is true for you as a writer. Don't think, feel, express, create. The words will come. Please leave a comment if you are somebody who has had writer's block, and if you understand what I mean when I say that it's very much the same thing as losing your voice. Thank you so much for being here. Please keep going because the world needs your unique voice. See you in the next one.